Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi RS6 in Forza Horizon 5. The most common way to acquire this fantastic vehicle is by participating in the festival playlist. This playlist updates regularly, offering new challenges and exclusive cars as rewards. You'll need to complete various seasonal events to earn enough points to unlock the RS6 when it's available. Keep an eye on the playlist schedule. To successfully earn the Audi RS6 through the festival playlist, focus on completing the seasonal events. Each season typically runs for 1 week, offering a fresh set of challenges. These can include specific races, speed traps, danger signs, and championships. By completing these activities, you'll accumulate points towards the seasonal and series progress. Reaching the required point threshold will grant you the RS6 as a reward. If you miss the Audi RS6 during its festival playlist appearance, don't worry, there are other avenues. The auction house is a great place to look, as other players might be selling theirs. Prices can vary significantly, so be prepared to spend some credits. Additionally, the Forzathon shop sometimes features rare cars like the RS6. Check both regularly, as availability can change quickly. To maximize your chances, always check the festival playlist at the start of each new season. Prioritize challenges that offer higher point rewards, and consider teaming up with friends for cooperative events to make them easier. Saving your in-game credits is also wise, giving you a better chance to snag the RS6 from the auction house if needed. And for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other great deals. Happy racing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.